Kauba village in Chief Moyo's chiefdom of Pemba district has been a beneficiary of the Small Livestock Enterprise Promotion Project under World Vision Zambia since 2018. The rural community has been empowered with helpful strategies under the initiative.
Interventions that we've had here so far, that is the goat person, we've empowered more than 60 households here in this village. These households were empowered with goats. These goats were improved breeds, mixed Boer goats with local nannies.
They begin to appreciate value vegetables like onions, tomatoes, cabbage and all that.
The project has transformed the lives of the people. Southern Province Assistant Secretary Edson Nachimwenda has encouraged rural communities in the region to apply for constituency development funds to further improve their localities.
Let them apply. If they have any challenges, let them come to provincial administration. We will see where the bottlenecks are, and then we will be able to assist them.
The villagers have also ventured in various enterprises such as gardening, chicken rearing, and savings. Ajo Aveme, ZNBC News in Pemba District.